हमारे शॉर्ट हैंड लैब प्रयागराज चैनल पर आप सबका एक बार फिर से पुनः बहुत स्वागत है। दोस्तों, यहाँ पर एक झारखंड हाईकोर्ट के बेस पे लीगल पैसेज डिक्टेट की जाएगी। डिक्टेशन की जो स्पीड होगी वो 100 से 110 के आसपास की होगी और प्रयास करें इसे कम से कम 5 टाइम लिखेगा। और पहली बार आए हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करेगा, डिक्टेशन को लाइक करेगा और उसके टेलीग्राम लिंक शॉर्ट हैंड लैब प्रयागराज से जरूर जुड़ जाएँ। और यहाँ जो कुछ लिखा है एक बार ध्यानपूर्वक पढ़ेंगे। और जिनका एग्ज़ाम पटना स्टेनोग्राफर का भी है वो लोग भी इस डिक्टेशन को लिखेंगे, क्योंकि उनका पैसेज ऐसा ही आएगा। हाँ, मे भी जनरल पैसेज आ सकता है, लेकिन अभी कोई प्रेडिक्शन नहीं किया जा सकता। हाई कोर्ट का एग्ज़ाम होता है, डिक्टेशन कोई भी आ सकता है, ठीक है ना। तो स्टार्ट करते हैं डिक्टेशन। बी रेडी, स्टार्ट। इट इज़ अपरेंट देयरफॉर दैट इन्वेस्टिगेशन इन्फ्रिंजेस द राइट टू पर्सनल लिबर्टी a persons being investigated, and as such an investigation cannot be done otherwise than in accordance with the procedure established by law, full stop. In the course of an investigation, since the fundamental rights of a person being investigated are curtailed, such an action on the part of the state must be backed by a statute and not merely by executive instructions, actions and norms, full stop. Paragraph. Now, under the Code of Criminal Procedure, the expression police station has been referred to in section 154 of the Code of Criminal Procedure among many other provisions, full stop. The emphasis on the expression police station in the Code of Criminal Procedure arises because the Code provides that a first information report can be registered only in a police station, Devghar, Ranchi, and not otherwise, full stop. This would mean that a formal investigation can be carried out only pursuant to an information lodged before the officer in charge of a police station, full stop. Paragraph. The Supreme Court has held that investigation usually starts on information relating to the commission of an offence given to an officer in charge of a police station and recorded under section 154 of the code, full stop. From information so received or otherwise, if the officer in charge of the police station has reason to suspect the commission of an offence, he or some other subordinate officer deputed by him has to proceed to the spot to investigate the facts and circumstances of the case and, if necessary, to take measures for the discovery and arrest of the offender, full stop. Paragraph. For the above purposes, the investigating officer is given the power to require before himself the attendance of any person appearing to be acquainted with the circumstances of the case, full stop. He has also the authority to examine such person orally, either by himself or by a duly authorized deputy, full stop. Paragraph. The Patna High Court Criminal Appeal number 563 of 2013 dated 27/9/2016 course of investigation may reduce his statement into writing, and such writing is available in the trial that may follow for use in the manner provided in this behalf in section 162 of the Code of Criminal Procedure, full stop. Under section 165 of the Code of Criminal Procedure, the officer in charge of a police station has to power of making a search at any place for the seizure of anything believed to be necessary for the purpose of the investigation, full stop. The search has to be conducted by such officer in person, full stop. The subordinate officer may be deputed by him for the purpose only for reasons to be recorded in writing if he is unable to conduct the search in person and there is no other competent officer available, full stop. The investigating officer has also the power to arrest the person or persons suspected of the commission of the offence full stop. A police officer making an investigation is enjoined to enter his proceedings in a diary from day to day full stop, where such investigation cannot be completed within the period of 24 hours and the accused is in custody, he is enjoined also to send a copy of the entries in the diary to the magistrate concerned full stop. ओके तो ये आपका टोटल 5 मिनट 36 वर्ड का डिक्टेशन था। डिक्टेशन को लाइक करेगा, कम से कम 100 लाइक्स आएंगे तो मेरा मोटिवेशन और अच्छा होगा, आपको और अच्छा डिक्टेशन दिया जाएगा। ओके, और यहाँ जो कुछ लिखा है ध्यानपूर्वक जरूर पढ़ लीजिएगा क्योंकि आपको इसकी आवश्यकता जरूर पड़ने वाली है।